Using Trello for Business is an effective way to organize tasks, collaborate with teams, and streamline project management. Here's how you can use Trello for your business. Create a business board. Start by creating a new board for your business. You can create boards for specific projects, departments, or overarching goals. Set up lists. Create lists within your board to represent stages or categories of work. Common list names might include backlog, ideas or tasks that need to be done in the future, to-do, tasks to be tackled in the current sprint or cycle, in progress, tasks actively being worked on, completed, tasks finished and ready for review or delivery. Add cards for tasks or projects. Each card represents a task or project. You can add details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, checklists, and labels to make them more informative. Assign team members to cards to track responsibility. Use power-ups and automation. Enhance your boards with power-ups like calendar views, time tracking, or Slack integration. Use Butler automation to automate repetitive tasks. Collaborate and track progress. Team members can comment, attach files, and update cards in real time. You can monitor progress visually by moving cards across lists.